A row over why the Northern Territory fracking inquiry's report didn't include information about a fault in a key Origin Energy test well has dominated today's hearing in Darwin. Green groups told the inquiry panel it should consider its whole draft final report compromised.
The fracking inquiry's conclusion that environmental risks can be mitigated have been based on industry assurances that engineering has vastly improved. Its draft final report found Northern Territory wells like Origin's Amungee 1 are world class.
This well has been held up by Origin and the Northern Territory government as the golden child of shale gas production.
The inquiry recommended that if all wells were drilled to the same standard as Amungee 1, the risk of leaks would be low. But Green groups asked the inquiry why its draft report didn't include company information that the Amungee well was deformed, had hit a natural fault, and that the final fracture stage had to be aborted. The inquiry report reproduced an Origin Energy diagram, leaving out the information.
The whole draft final report and the integrity of that document is in question and potentially needs to be redone.
It is something we will follow up with Origin.
The inquiry then realised Origin had initially provided a diagram without the deformation, but then included it in a submission last May.
Certainly the inquiry was not notified by anyone that indeed the diagram had since been revised.
Origin told the inquiry well deformations aren't a risk to the environment.
It does appear that this is a bit of an attempt to compromise the entire inquiry process over a common event that is not of significance with regards to well integrity, environmental protection or safety.
I don't accept for one moment that there has been any attempt to misrepresent or mislead this inquiry.
The Territory Resources Department says it was told the Amungee well was deformed in September 2016, and it shared that information with the inquiry. The inquiry now has less than 2 months to digest the information it's overlooked before its final report. Jane Bardon, ABC News.